Hello coin engineer, welcome back again and again from our channel. Today, as you can see from my screen right now, unfortunately, yes, right now we are seeing SCR token on Binance Launchpool and pre-market, and that will be chaos for launching and successful launching for pre-market, and I hope airdrop and especially our coin engineers followers will get a lot of airdrops, a lot of money from this scroll token airdrop. And there is no any exact airdrop, but probably as some other layer 2s, for example Arbitrum, zk some optimism and some others. I don't know what others yes, probably scroll will be airdrop, and we are already prepared for you with the contents, and I will drop you at the right corner, or if you can't find it at the right corner from this video, probably you will see it at the description or at the comments as a pinned message. Nevertheless, Binance is excited to announce the sixth project on Binance Launchpool, and sixth project fortunately will be scroll token, SCR token, and that's a bytecode level compatible zkVM rollup. Probably you had already knew about that. And pre-market, yes, pre-market will in this 2024 and October 11th with UTC clock 10. And open pre-market trading for SSC. UST trading pair and pre-market end time and spot listing time will be announced at later date. And then Binance Launchpool. Binance Launchpool is the our matter topic, and yes, right now you are seeing scroll upcoming bytecode level, upcoming compatible zkVM rollup, and we have just as a remaining time, in total about 7 hours. After 7 hours, probably, yes. Right now we are at the night, and after the midnight the launch pool will be started. And if you want to take a look scroll website or white paper research report from Binance Research, you can find out from there. For example, research report, you can just click and then you can find out it. Launchpad tutorial, there's no need to take a lot of time, spend a lot of time with reading Launchpool tutorial, because right now I'm doing this BNB pool, first digital pool, and how can we join, how can we earn passive income, free tokens from there. First of all, you need to just hold BNB pool, and right now our last video, which one released for especially newcomers, we had already explained from scratch what is a Binance Launchpool, how can you passive income, how can you make money passive income from there. First of all, you need to hold BNB or first digital UST, but how can you and where you can hold it. For example, I have a BNBs, for example, I have a 10,000 BNBs, for example, and I'm just holding it at my spot. I can earn free scroll token or other Launchpool tokens, not, because first of all I need to stake this BNBs on BNB Vault, and then if you wanna do this from other sites, from other alternative ways, you can just click BNB pool, and then you will see log activated after 7 hours, not 7, yes, almost 7 hours. And then, for example, right now I have no any available BNB in my this account, and then just if you have also, you just click buy BNB, and then you will directly trade BNB USDT parity at the spot market. You will get, I had already explained you how can you buy, how can you order from spot market, from futures, on other things. At the same time, you can find out our playlist and our channel. You can just search from Coin Engineers channel and you can get every video content, because we had already created hundreds of contents for you. And then just put price if you wanna limit, or if you are in a hurry, just click market. There is no need to put enter amount as a price, and then just put, for example, I'm gonna buy BNB, and then click buy BNB. That's it. And then yes, back to square one. Where were we? Yes, maximum airdrops, and almost 100,000. Yes, that is so huge. And then, but that's no matter, because that's according to, that's as an occurring correlation with general tokenomics of scroll token. And yes, you are seeing from my funds area, if you have BNB or if you locked BNB, for example, if you want to check some other days, you can take a look absolutely from there. And then how many unclaimed airdrops and total airdrop received. If you want to see, if you want to control, if you want to take a look every day or immediately, and then you can just click that. And after the finalizing the scroll launch pool on the Binance launch pool, you will see the trade for CRC and other patterns will be opened at the Binance. First of all, from spot market, then features, and had already listed on the pre-market, and then just click trade now and trade. Yes, right now there is no any page because still we need to pass pre-market stage and then launchable stage, and right now that's why there is no any page. Just there are available just one link, and then after that, for example, how many days it will be happen during? Yeah, project duration just 2 days, and you don't want to hold your BNBs during 2 days, during the 48 hours, and then just wanna do this minimum of 6 hours, for example, or 10 hours. After 10 hours, how can you do this? Just click collect airdrops, and then you will see unclaimed airdrops. You will get, for example, as a unclaimed airdrops 100 scroll token. Just click collect airdrops. Your tokens, your 100 scroll token will be appeared on your spot balance. That's it. And then total airdrop received will be showing that as a 100 scroll token. That's a BNB locket, as I said, you will control from there, and total BNB locket. And we still are seeing 10,000 participants. And then yes, right now the turn is first digital USD pool. Total first digital USD pool airdrops 8 million, 8.2 million, and today there's no any activation. That's why we are seeing 0 token, 0 scroll token, and total first digital USD locket. That's 800 million first digital USD, and total first digital USD locked right now into the maximum airdrops 70,000, and BNB pool, just let's compare, almost 100. And yeah, that's so normal because BNB pool bigger than first digital USD pool. And for example, after the launching scroll launch pool, you will see, for example, there are 1 million people, but there are just 100,000 people. And that's also normal because there are a lot of opportunity to get BNB, and if you are holding huge or big amount of BNB, minimum of 10 or 20, if you want to get plausible amounts in your wallet. Nevertheless, yeah, I think there is nothing as other to explain. You just click lock, and then if you want to unlock this, just click unlock. That's it. And then if you want to trade after the listing, just click trade now. You will directly trade page at the spot market on Launchpool. And don't forget that after almost 7 hours the Binance Launchpool will start. And then yes, you can take a look some other details, rules, Launchpool tutorial, research report, white paper. Yes, that's it about that. And then we can take a look tokenomics. Yes, token name, we had already know that 1 billion total and max token supply. I mean, there won't be any other additional supply. That's so good thing. Launchpool token rewards 5.5% of total token supply. That's so plausible amount. Initial circulation supply win. That's almost 20% of total token supply. And probably that's not a financial advice. That's not some other things. But yeah, it depends on scroll airdrop amount. It will be satisfied some other users which one had already spent a lot of monies, a lot of Ethereum as a gas fee or slippage amounts, and some other things. And if scroll networks SCR token will satisfy most of users like Arbitrum, like Optimism, you will see huge market cap, even over 1 billion as a launch. If we are seeing 1 billion as a market cap, let's calculate 1 billion. 1 billion. And how many? Copied. Yes, probably we will see minimum of 4 or 3.5, I think. And I said again, it depends on it absolutely, and 90% or 85% depends on scroll airdrop satisfaction and then some other upcoming things at the scroll time. For example, there will be some latency and maybe some of users regret to contribute scroll, I don't know, and vice versa. And minimum of our expectation, not a financial advice. I said again and again, because we are just content creators, we are not a financial advisor, and some other things, some other alternative things. Yeah, what would I say? Yes, minimum of 3.5 and maximum of $6 as a launch price. Yeah, that's just my expectation, and there is no any financial advice. Please be aware, be careful, and just every time do your own research, because that's your own money. That means that is your own decision. That's it. I think you can learn anything from there if you are especially newcomer, because especially nowadays we are seeing a lot of newcomers from our cryptocurrency market, and that's so fortunate thing. And yeah, that's it. If you wanna like our video, if you wanna support us, don't forget to subscribe our video and smash the like button. That's it. See you on the next bullish time, dude.